Love is not just an emotion. It is a connection we learn to build.
If you are using the eraser tool to remove parts of an image, stop. Layer masks are the professional alternative, and they never destroy a single pixel. A layer mask is a grayscale map attached to your layer. White areas reveal the layer content. Black areas hide it. Shades of gray create partial transparency. To add one, click the layer mask icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. Paint with black to hide, white to reveal. Made a mistake? Simply switch colors and paint back. You can also load any selection directly as a mask. For soft, feathered transitions, paint on the mask with a soft brush at low opacity. Masks also accept curves adjustments, giving you precise control over every edge. The original pixels are always safe and recoverable.